Hey everyone, today we're going to be making some shorts. I'm going to use these champion shorts, cut off this panel, and replace it with this, using this thingy, you'll see. And we're going to go ahead and cut the seams with it. That's what it's called, the seam cutter. We're going to tear it apart, and all we got left is the top. So we're going to cut that with our fancy scissors. Almost done, and there we go. All cut out. We got the leg, we got the pocket. Let's keep it going. Let's grab our body pillow, tear the seal, and let's whip it out. Let's unfold her, and now for the hardest part. I have to pick which one I want. School uniform or Ava suit. Ava suit. Alright, let's go. Alright, we're going to flip it inside out, and now we're going to cut it with our electric scissors. I can't tell you enough how much I love these things. They're amazing. Anyways, we're done cutting. Let's open it up. Now we're going to lay her flat on the table. And yeah, let's grab the piece that we cut off from the original pair of shorts, and we're going to use that to trace. Bought some like fabric chalk or whatever it is. We're going to use this to trace. And once again, we're going to use our electric scissors to cut out the pattern. Let's remove the extra cloth. And look at that, it looks so good. Alright, now let's get to sewing. Alright, let's grab our sewing machine. We've got to plug it in, turn it on. And we're going to actually start with the seam at the bottom. So yeah, let's do it. And here we go. I like to go nice and slow just to make sure it's all straight. And done, we got the bottom seam going. And now we're actually going to start sewing it onto the pair of shorts. Alright, now let's pin it down to make sure it stays in place. Looking good. Alright. And let's take it over to our sewing machine. Alright, so here we're doing the waistband, so we gotta make sure it stretches out so it's all lined up. And just like that, it's done. Alright, so let's move on. Now let's work on the inseam. Once again, we got it all pinned down. And let's start sewing. And for the crotch, I always like to go over it twice. And we're going to go ahead and work on the outside seam as well. We're going to sew everything all together. And done. Let's cut the extra thread off. Let's turn off our sewing machine. And let's put it away. And here's a pair of shorts. All done. All sewed up. You guys ready for the reveal? Here it is. Loving these shorts. Look how adorable she looks. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And if you really want to help me out, please share this video. Anyways, let me know what you guys want to see next, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.